Unfortunately, that's not the case. And no, I don't have a bank anyway. I wouldn't let it affect my presentation to you. This is what I mean. Oh, here is my mind. Oh, my Lord, it's my life, my everything. Lord, take it. This is yours, oh Lord. It's all I have today. I give you my all. Your turn. My everything.
Song that I write, every song that I sing, every day of my life, every breath that I breathe, you gave to me, and Lord, I read, dedicate right back to you, love of my life, so faithful, so true. I get goosebumps just thinking about you, oh, and there's nothing I would not do for you.
So here's
My heart,
my
my mind,
Lord, it's my life, my everything. Take it. This is yours, oh Lord. It's all I have.
My best friend.